Feeling stuck? Ready for a refresh? Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you feeling like your life's on repeat? Like you're stuck in a rut and need a serious shakeup? Well, you're not alone. We all hit those points where we crave a change, a chance to hit the reset button and start fresh. But where do you even begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful steps that can help you reset your life and unlock a whole new level of awesomeness. So grab your notebooks, buckle up, and get ready to transform. Step 1. Never disrespect momentum. Imagine rolling a snowball downhill. It starts small, but with each push, it grows bigger, stronger, unstoppable. That's the power of momentum. When you start a new habit, that initial push is crucial. So respect it. Don't break the chain. Keep the snowball rolling, even if it's just a tiny step each day. Remember, consistency is key. Step 2. Cut out the bad habit friends. We all have them, those friends who drag us down, enable bad choices, and zap our energy. It's time to say goodbye. Surround yourself with people who uplift, inspire, and challenge you to be your best self. It's not about ditching everyone, but choosing who influences your energy and direction. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Step 3. Get more sunlight. Early sunlight is like magic for your mood and energy levels. Aim to get at least 20 minutes of natural sunlight within the first hour of waking up. It helps regulate your sleep cycle, boosts your mood, and even increases focus. So ditch the snooze button, open those curtains, and let the sunshine in. Step 4. Clean your desk. A cluttered desk is a cluttered mind. Your environment shapes your mind. Take 10 minutes each day to declutter your workspace. Get rid of anything unnecessary, organize your tools, and create a space that inspires you to be productive and creative. Trust me, a clean desk can work wonders. Step 5. No more music before 1 p.m. This might sound strange, but hear me out. The first few hours of your day are crucial for setting the tone. Exposing yourself to high-energy music too early can disrupt your focus and leave you feeling scattered. Instead, opt for calming sounds or silence during your morning routine. Focus on your tasks and let your mind wake up naturally. Step 6. Unfollow Instagram. Baddies. Social media can be a double-edged sword. Social media can be a major source of comparison and negativity. Unfollow accounts that make you feel insecure, inadequate, or just plain bad. Instead, curate a feed that inspires, motivates, and uplifts you. Remember, you are enough just as you are. Step 7. Try to fast as long as you can. Fasting isn't just about weight loss. It can be a powerful tool for mental clarity and focus. Intermittent fasting can have amazing benefits for your body and mind. It improves focus, reduces inflammation, and even boosts brain power. Start small, like skipping breakfast, and see how you feel. Remember, listen to your body and adjust as needed. There you have it. 7 simple steps to start your life reset journey. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and celebrate every small victory. You've got this. Let's support each other on this journey to becoming the best versions of ourselves. Until next time, stay awesome. I would appreciate if you liked the video so that you can help me to continue spreading the wisdom. If you have not subscribed, I recommend you to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any video.